In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Dropbox team as part of our full guide for 2025. If you're new to Dropbox or simply trying to collaborate more effectively with your team, joining a Dropbox team is a great way to access shared resources and enhance teamwork. Let's dive right in and walk through everything you need to know. First, let's begin at your email inbox. This is a critical starting point. Keep an eye out for an email invitation from Dropbox. This invite is typically sent by your team admin, so make sure you're checking the correct email address associated with your team's communications. If you don't see it immediately, check your spam folder or filtered folders just in case it's landed there by mistake. Once you find the email, open it, and you'll notice a button or link that typically says Join Your Team. Go ahead and click on that link. This action will direct you to Dropbox's website where you'll be prompted to sign in. If you already have an existing Dropbox account, enter your login details. On the other hand, if you're new to Dropbox and haven't set up an account yet, don't worry. There's an option to create a new one right there. It's a straightforward process requiring just a few details, ensuring that you get started quickly. Moving forward, after you've signed in or created your account, the next step is to accept the team's terms and permissions. This is an essential part of the onboarding process as it outlines the rules and permissions that come with being a member. Carefully review the terms to understand your role within the team, what you can access, and how you're expected to collaborate using the shared resources. Clicking accept will finalize the process, and just like that, you've successfully joined your team's Dropbox space. Congratulations! You are now a part of your Dropbox team. What this means practically is that you will have immediate access to shared folders and team spaces. This is where you'll find files, documents, and other materials that your team contributes and collaborates on. Having access to these resources will not only help streamline your productivity, but also ensure everyone is on the same page with current projects and goals. By joining a Dropbox team, you open the door to seamless file sharing, collective editing, and enhanced communication, all wrapped in a secure digital environment. Remember to explore and utilize all the features available to you once you're in, like commenting on files, sharing feedback, or setting up reminders to maximize your team's efficiency. Thanks for watching the tutorial on how to join a Dropbox team. Whether it's your first time navigating this process or you just needed a quick refresher, I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification on any step. Happy collaboration.